Good morning to all. In this video, I am going to explain how to draw a flange coupling by using Solidworks 2021. The flange coupling is used to connect two perfectly aligned shaft. So it may be a stationary one or a rotary one. So two flanges are connected by the use of a bolt and nut. So here you can see it is also used to connect a pump and motor system. So what's the need of this coupling? So couplings mainly used to connect two shaft. So why means, so if the length of the shaft is very large, at that time it is difficult to dismantle or it is difficult to do some inspection work or a maintenance work. So instead of using a long shaft, we are going to use the short shaft with the coupling connection. So this flange coupling is used to connect two perfectly aligned shaft. This flange coupling consists of various parts. First one is shaft. Here we are having two flanges, one is male part and another one is female part. Next, bolt and nut, and after that we are having a key. So our final assembly look like this. Let's draw the component. So file new part. This is our part. Our first part is shaft. So this shaft is a cylindrical component of diameter 50 mm. So length is not mentioned here. This shaft is placed inside this flange. The flange length is 74 mm. So we can choose 100 mm. Pi is used to mention it is diameter. If it is radius means instead of pi there is R. So go to sketch. So we have to choose one plane, choosing front plane, draw one circle. Here it is mentioned the radius. So whereas our dimension which is given diameter, in terms of diameter. So 50 mm diameter means 25 mm radius. Okay. So exit sketch, go to feature and extrude this circle. So we can change the direction by using flip direction option. So I am choosing 100 mm. Okay. Now we have to cut one keyway. The keyway dimension which is given 14 into 5. So go to sketch, select this front face, press space bar and click normal tool. So I am going to draw a center rectangle here. So go to smart dimension. Here the distance is 14 mm. This distance is 10 mm. That means I am choosing center rectangle. So 14 into 5, instead of 5 mm, I am going to give 10 mm. So that's why. So that only we will get 5 mm cut. Okay, exit sketch. So go to feature. Now you have to choose extrude cut. This cut up to the distance of 74 mm. So because this flange is placed, so this shaft is placed inside this flange. So up to the mm of 30 plus 44, 74 mm. This is our shaft. So here we can change the dimension, that is the units, by changing this option. So initially it is in millimeter, so no need to change this units. So 5 save. Here this is shaft.